So, to my fellow marketers, consultants, entrepreneurs, designers, in this video, I'm gonna break down to you exactly why a mortgage broker adds massive value to you